Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to block pop-ups in Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera GX browser and then click on this one menu icon that represents with O symbol, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. In the Opera GX settings, select this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, click on Site Settings under Privacy and Security. On the right, at the bottom, you will find this one option, Pop-up and Redirects under Content section. Click on this one option, Pop-ups and Redirects. Here you can disable pop-ups and as well as redirects. To that, select this one option. Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. And in case you want to enable pop-ups and redirects, you need to select this one option for default behaviors. After selecting your desired option, close the Opera GX browser and reopen it to apply the changes.